Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I am Mishta. Today I am going to show you how to make this biscuit pancake. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for making this biscuit pancake, we need some milk, some biscuit obviously, some baking soda, some baking powder, and some melted butter. I know it's a bit crazy to make pancake with biscuits, but it turned out really well and I love eating pancakes, so I try it with new ingredients. And I have already grind the biscuit in the mixer grinder. By the way, you can add some sugar if you want, but it wasn't needed for me. So now we will take a bigger mixer jar and we'll add in all the ingredients together and then we'll mix everything together. First I'm adding the biscuit crush, then I'm adding the butter, melted butter, then we'll add the baking soda, then I will add the baking powder, after that we'll add the milk into the jar, and then we will close the jar and combine everything together. After mixing in everything together, your batter should look like this. Then just take a pan and turn on your gas and grease the pan with some butter, as I have done already. And now it's time to pour in the batter that we have made. Make sure your pan is a little bit preheated, and also keep the gas in low flame while making these pancakes. It is cooked for 30 to 50 seconds, then turn it to the other side and let it cook for more 40 to 50 seconds. And after it is cooked from both the sides, take it out in a plate. Let me make some more and get back to you. So here is the final look of my pancakes. I have tried to decorate it with some honey and butter on top. So it's time to change your boring biscuit into some yummy pancakes. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.